In this video, we're going to review how to set up your wine shipping automated messages. To be able to dive in, we're going to pretend that our integration is already complete and Wineshipping is already sending information to your RedChirp account. So now we can begin. We'll go to our main menu and we want to go to our automated messages option here. And we're going to start in settings. It's here that we are going to create our message templates for the messages that we want to send to our customers. Using this red plus sign here, you're going to get a dialog box, and if you open up the drop-down menu, you can choose which templates you want to go ahead and set up. And now for Wineshipping, there are 7 different options for you, all labeled. You do not need to choose all 7. You can pick the ones that are going to be most impactful to you and your customers. Now we're going to go ahead and set up our out for delivery message here. If we click on it and hit OK, this template is now created for us. Now you'll see that in the send from column, nothing is set yet, and this message is in manual mode. So no message is going to be prepared or sent to our customers just yet, but we'll use our action menu to hop into the settings so we can change that. Now at the very top, there's going to be some information that tells you how this message will work, including which numbers we're going to send it to and where the customer name comes from. Now if I scroll down, we first have to choose which phone number we want to use to send this message to our customers. And now under message patterns, you can see that we already have some text set up for you. Now for each message that you select, there is some starter text. You're always welcome to edit it if you'd like. In this case, there are 2 message patterns here. So RedChirp is going to try to send this very first one on top. And in case it's missing this shipment tracking URL, we would move down to our second message pattern here and send this one instead. So if you do make any edits, just make sure that you edit both spots there. And if you scroll down below, there's a nice preview of what that message would look like with those variables filled in. Once you're happy with the text, you can save and close. And scrolling down a bit more, we have the hours that we'll use to send these messages out. And that's just so we don't send anything out too early in the day to our customers or too late in the day. As for when these messages are sent out, we will send them as soon as RedChirp becomes aware of the event from Wineshipping. Now, in case there is a delay and we are made aware of the event more than 1 day after it has actually occurred, we will have that message expire and we will not send it. That way your customers are never getting out-of-date information. Now, as for the send mode here, all of our message templates start in manual mode. This is a great time for you to learn about the messages and make sure that they are being prepared according to your expectations. So while in manual mode, RedChirp will prepare the messages. You have an opportunity to see them. If you're happy with them, you can send them one by one. And once you have had time to learn about the messages and you're confident that they are working the way you want them to, you can go ahead and flip into automatic mode. And with automatic mode, those messages will be sent to your customers without any intervention on your part. Now, if we head back here, we see that we have our send from number set. We are in auto mode, so this message template is ready to go as we observe these respective events from Wineshipping. Now, if we wanted to set up another one, we'll go through that same process here. We're going to use our drop-down menu to choose which message we want to send, and we'll choose this delivery attempt failed template here, and we just have to go in and make some of those same choices here. So we'll choose which number we want to send from. We have that starter text, but if you want to edit it, you can hop in here to do so. And then we have our times already set for us as well. So if we scroll up, we just have to choose when we are ready to flip this into automatic mode. And now with that, both of these message templates are ready to roll. When you want to see the messages as they are being prepared, you can go back to that automated message page from your main menu there, and you're going to click on View Search Automated Messages. This is going to give you a list of all of the messages that have been prepared for you, and in the status column, you're going to be able to see if they have been delivered already. If a message is in manual mode, you might see Ready here. And in that case, you would be able to use the action menu to go ahead and send that one message if you're happy for it and it's ready to go. And this is going to be a complete history with the most recent message on top here. With that, you have everything you need to start sending and observing your Wineshipping automated messages. I hope this is helpful.